I say one more time for your pistols from Power.